Alright guys, we're here public land. A little less than ideal conditions. It was like torrential downpour this morning, but now it's kind of led up to a light rain, so hopefully it quits soon. We've already had at least 2 buzz the mojo, so hopefully it picks up here soon. Stay tuned. We got Kai, we got Doss. It's gonna be good. Okay. Cut him. Too far. Is that a dove?
Yeah, it is.
He's missing it.
I'm lay down. He got sick.
Still got that one on the power line. Alright, we got 1 dove on the power line. He's just chilling. Dawson blew the feathers out of 1, and there was another that just buzzed by too far to shoot, but seems like maybe they're starting to fly. We'll see.
He's gonna sky bust him.
Oh no, you freaking idiot. He killed him.
Yeah, what were those?
It's a pigeon?
Yeah. What the frick? I ain't never seen pigeons like that around here.
Wait, let's see that thing. I thought they looked big. I was like, no freaking way. Just dusted that pigeon. No freaking way. I was like, man, those look. Surely those aren't dove.
Well, I thought they were hawk first.
Dude. Is he banded?
Fuck no.
That's crazy, dude.
Fucking pigeons, dude. There's a bunch of them too.
I know, I should have shot it, Dawson. But I was waiting because I wasn't sure what they were.
I was like, dang, those suckers are big.
Just freaking clap that pigeon, dude. That's awesome. Alright, tell him. We're about to make a move.
We're probably gonna move over here to the middle because there's dove landing on that 1 power line.
We're just right here. Alright, we just switched up the... Oh, it's fogging up big time, bruh.
There's gotta be more doves.
Alright, we just moved the spot, guys. Moved by that power line where we should be seeing these doves, so we're like right underneath it in some taller grass. So as soon as we got over here, there was like 4 or 5. So I didn't get it on the camera, but Dawson got it on the GoPro. So we're just trying to get at least 1 bird so Kai can go get it. This is just the struggle of public land and the rain, the weather.
Everyone's just sky busting.
Yeah, and everybody's sky bussing. They're not letting any of these birds land or finish. So public land for you.
Wounded him.
Send it.
No, I'll walk over there with him. He's just wounded.
Got him?
No, dead.
You found him.
See the bird.
Oh, it's banded.
I was about to say, holy flip. Kai's first bird is banded.
I'm gonna have to put it in the bucket. No, Kai, no. Those probably just came from that other field. Oh, right here, Logan. Oh.
Kill him, Dawson. Or no.
Speaks to them. Where are they going?
They're going over to that guy.
I've never seen Dove do that before. I thought that was only like a goose and duck thing. I would come back around. You have a full choke? God!
Small though, man. The baby.
It dropped immediately. Like it dropped like immediately. Come here, Kai. Come here, Kai. Sit.
Right there, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. No way.
Too far. Kai, here. It's too far.
He was too high, he just stayed a little bit too high.
Huh?
He just stayed a little bit too high.
Stay.
Too tall. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it.
Kai! No, Kai! Oh my gosh.
The mojo.
We gotta find it. There you go.
Good boy, Kai.
Good boy, Kai. Here. Here. Kai, here. Here. Oh my gosh. Drop. Drop. Good grief, Kai. He's freaking chewing on it. Heel.
That one did exactly what we wanted to do.
Sit. No. Dead. It's the mojo that messed him up.
I could have sworn you saw it go down.
Yeah, I thought he did too.
You freaking blew it up.
Cough up those feathers. Open up. You got feathers all in your freaking... They're gonna shoot at it. Oh my
Ooh, folded him.
Sit.
I'm gonna shoot that. Shoot. Here we go, Dawson. Right overhead, overhead. I folded that one, son. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Dawson, I led that sucker this far, dude. Literally.
I had to run all the way down there to win. It's like when we're sitting there, there's like none. And then right when we start walking to the church,